This is Nishant Jaiswal and I am P.GT Physical Education, and I am here today with a new topic, that is energy required by an individual. This is the topic of chapter Sports and Nutrition, and this is very important topic. Let me tell you that this topic is covered in board exams also, so you should know this topic very well. Okay, so in this topic we are going to learn what is energy and how much energy is required by an individual. Okay, so let me tell you what is energy. Energy is the strength or vitality to sustain any physical or mental workout. That means whatever workout you are doing, you should have energy. It is the strength to overcome resistance and fatigue. So you should know that how much energy is required by your body, how much calories you are taking in, and how much workout you are doing. Means how much calories you are burning in comparison with your taking of diet. So you should know about this. So we are going to learn this in required by an individual. This is evaluated by adding the basal energy requirement, that is BER, with extra energy requirement, that is EER. Okay, so let me tell you what is BER. BER is a basal energy requirement or basic energy requirement that is required by your body for whole day. That means it is multiplied with 24 hours. Okay, your body works for 24 hours and that energy which is required for doing that work is the basal energy requirement. Okay, then we come to EER, that is extra energy requirement. This is the energy that is required by your body while doing some physical workout. When your body is in physical exertion mode, at that time you require extra energy, extra calories. So that is EER. So for calculating total energy requirement, we add both basal energy requirement and extra energy requirement, and we get total energy requirement, and this is measured in the units, that is term calorie. Okay, so now I will tell you that how to calculate BER and how to calculate EER. So let us start with BER first, that is basal energy requirement. Okay, the main thing you should note is that the 1.3 is the calorie required per kilogram of BER. That means 1.3 is a unit that you have to multiply with body weight with 24 hours. Okay, so 1.3 is the required unit for calculating BER, that is basic energy requirement. Okay, so it is calculated by multiplying the body weight in kilograms. First you have to take out your body weight in kgs, then you have to multiply that body weight with 24 hours, that is 1 day, with 1.3 calories. Okay, why we are taking it as 24 hours, why we are multiplying it with 24 hours? Because you are calculating BER, and for this you need to calculate the basic energy requirement. So this is the energy that is required by your body for each and every work, that is for overall day, whole day, 24 hours. So we are calculating this with 24 hours. So for example, 1.3 calories into body weight in kgs into 24 hours. This is the formula for calculating BER. Take an example that if a person with body weight 60 kg, then the BER would be, suppose if a person having the body weight 60 kilograms, then how we are going to calculate his BER? What would be his BER? Okay, formula for calculating BER is 1.3 calories. This is the basic unit for calculating BER into body weight, that is 60 kilogram, into 24 hours. We are taking 24 hours because we are calculating BER, energy required for whole day, that is 24 hours. Okay, so therefore 1.3 calories into 60 kilogram, that is the weight of the person, into 24 hours. The answer which we get is 1872 calories per day. This is the energy required by the person whose weight is 60 kilogram. So the next is EER, that is extra energy requirement. Okay, as I have told you earlier that EER is the extra energy required by your body when you are doing some kind of physical workout. When your body is in physical exertion mode, then you require extra energy to sustain that fatigue. Okay, so this is calculated by multiplying the body weight in kilograms by hours of training. That means the amount of training, the time period in which you are doing the training process, with 8.5 calories. Okay, 8.5 calories is the basic unit required for calculating EER. So let us take an example for calculating extra energy requirement, that is EER. So if a person with body weight 60 kg is doing 2 hours training, then his EER would be 60 kg is the weight of the person, 2 hours is the time of training. That means he is doing extra training for these 2 hours. Okay, so formula for calculating EER is 8.5 calories. As I have told you that 8.5 is a basic unit required for calculating EER. Then 8.5 is multiplied by the body weight of a person, that is in kg 60 kilogram, into the hours of training. As we are calculating extra energy requirement, so we have to multiply it with the time of training, that means 2 hours of training. So we are going to multiply this. Therefore 8.5 calories into 60 kg, the weight of a person, into 2 hours of training. This is the time period in which he is doing training. He requires extra energy for this time. So we get 1020 calories for 2 hours. That is the person having 60 kilogram of weight and is doing 2 hours of training, then he requires 1020 calories extra for those 2 hours of training. So we are going to calculate TER now, that is total energy requirement of a person. This is the energy which is the combination of the basal energy plus extra energy. Okay, so the total energy by a person with 60 kg body weight and performs 2 hours training. This is the example that I am giving you. If a person is having 60 kilogram of weight and he performs 2 hours of training, as we have calculated this earlier, the BER of the person having 60 kg body weight is 1872 calories per day. This is the basic energy requirement of a person with 60 kg body weight. Then we have calculated EER also of the same person who is doing 2 hours of training. The EER was 1020 calories per day. Okay, so it's very simple to calculate the TER, that is total energy requirement. We just have to add both of these. That means the formula is BER plus EER is equals to TER. Basal energy requirement plus extra energy requirement is equals to total energy requirement of an individual. Okay, so the basal energy requirement was 1872. This is the 1872 value of BER, and then 1020 is EER. So we are going to add both of these and we get 2892 calories per day. 2892 calories per day are required by a person who is having 60 kg of body weight and is doing 2 hours of extra training, that is extra. Total energy required by a person was 2892 calories per day. Okay, we added BER with EER and we got TER, that is total energy requirement. So let us discuss the approximate caloric requirement of various groups. That is, a child of 2 years requires 800 calories per day. Okay, then a child of 10 years requires 1500 calories per day. A child of 14 years requires 1800 calories per day. Therefore, an adult female with 50 kg of weight requires 2400 calories per day. An adult male with 60 kg of weight requires 2800 calories per day. Then an adult male with very heavy physical workout, that means if he is doing a heavy physical workout during his training session, then he requires 3500 to 5000 calories per day. This variation is according to his physical workout. I hope that you have understood the topic through my video, and if you have any problem you can share your feedback, and you can also contact me on my WhatsApp number. Till that time, stay fit, stay healthy.